I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello lifestylers, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Yoli and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So guys, if it's your first time here, welcome. And if it's your first time here and you like my content, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give your girl a thumbs up, and interact with me in the comment section. Let me know that it's your first time here, and you could go ahead and share my content. And you could also, if you want to, know a little bit more about me, you could, watch some of the older vlogs. And for my subbies that support me week after week, I can't say week after week. So for my subbies that support me every time I drop a video, thank you so much, guys. I'm trying to get back, in the rhythm. I'm trying to get back in routine because, guys, my mom was here helping me with a lot of stuff. So now that my mom has gone back home, I'm struggling with posting content because, I'm so caught up with doing so much. But I think I'm finding my balance now. So, you know what? Maybe you guys will be getting more content, but I'll promise you yet. So anyways, guys, as you can see, I have a Sephora haul and a Zara haul. Guys, I think I might put the camera up a little more. Yes, I think this is better. Yeah, I think this is better. So guys, here is this the box big, guys. So guys, Sephora had their yearly sale. So guys, I jumped on it because, guys, it's been a year. I think it's been I did make a little small purchase. I made two purchases for this year. I did made a little small purchase in the summer, and I made a big one at the beginning of the year. But excuse me. But this purchase now, it's another big purchase, and this will last me maybe until April, May. But guys, I realized that if I don't use some of these products, my face starts to break back out. So it's been maintaining my face. I had such a bad breakout the other day because I'm like, let me try go without my products, and that didn't work. So guys, I'm back with meaning I'm back on my products. So let's open the box. Did anybody did a little shopping on the Sephora sale? Did anybody did any shopping while the Sephora sale event was going on? If you did, what was your favorite product that you purchased? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, let's start with Ordinary. Let me see if you guys can see. So yes, so guys, I literally take a snap, guys, if you want to buy it. So I literally, guys, got 2 for 1. So guys, this is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid set, and this I got the duo. Like, I got a full size and I got the travel size. So what is this? So this, it's an exfoliating toner, and it brightens up your skin. It helps the marks and stuff to fade away. Yes, so in this one I got 2. So I normally use this, guys, after I cleanse my face with my wash. I normally put this on, like after I wash my face, I put this on and I let it dry, and then I start to add my serum. So let me show you guys. Let me open the box and show you. two. So I got a regular size. And then I got a travel size. And guys, the one that I got last year, it lasted me a whole year. I still have some. I just stocked up because they were on sale and I was getting 2 for 1. Yeah. So, yeah, so this is the first item. Okay, the other one. So guys, this guys, let me bring it close. Are you okay, promise? This one, guys, I've been wanting to get this for such a long time. But guys, this is so expensive. So this is the Dr. Dennis what do you call it? Exfoliating peel. So this is a peel, guys. So it's a daily peel. It's like a daily peel. It brighten, reduce fine lines. It says 90% showed firmer skin in 12 weeks. Promise? Not now. I'm talking on my recording, okay? You can go in my room. But what? You can't be bouncing ball while I'm talking. So guys, it says 92% showed to improve texture in 2 weeks. 92% brighten skin and reduce fine lines. 92% showed firmer skin in 12 weeks. 92% saw a brighter, firmer, clearer complexion in 1 week. So I'll be trying this. And 100% saw improved hydration in 2 weeks. 85% showed improved texture in 4 weeks. So guys, this is a daily peel. So it's like, guys, let me show you what it is. Let me open it and show you. Let me show you one of the box. So it's 2. So this is it, guys. 1 box. This box has how much in it? One have 60, one have 30. So they're like little wet clots, right? So I guess after, I have never used them. So this is what it is, guys. So I'm gonna use it and I'll let you know. So this is treatment 1, treatment 2. Treatment 1, peeling. Okay, exfoliate. And so treatment 1 is exfoliate. It exfoliate and smooths. Treatment 2, anti-age or neutralizer. And this is the Dr. Dennis daily peel kit. I will, you know, it's my first time. Let me see what's in this one, guys. Let me see. So this one, okay, it's the same thing. So it's like a 2 for 1, guys. So this should last me a while. And guys, this is very pricey. And I got it under 30% off. Right? I got it for 1 something, yeah. And it's regular 2 something. So you see why I took so long to buy it. It's the holiday kit or holiday special. So if you want to snap it. What else did I got? Guys, I'm sweating. So yes, I got another 2 for 1, guys. So I got the Paula's Choice, guys. So guys, I got the Paula's Choice 2 for 1, the duo exfoliating duo. So 2 full size, guys, and I got it for the price of 1. So that's why I bought this one. Yeah, guys, most of these is because they were on sale. I got them. So this is my birthday gift from Sephora. Let me see. It's the YSL travel size at Libra perfume. I've never used this perfume, guys. I think I've smelled it at the stores, but I've never bought it for myself. So you know, this can be my little travel size perfume, and if I'm gonna little wear, keep it in my handbag. And then they give me what is this one? I don't know. It's and the black opium and the YSL vaporizer spray. Yeah, so they gave me 3 samples as a birthday gift, right? So I didn't pay for these. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is the one size lip liner. And I got it in the color Coin Collector. So this is a lip liner, guys. So this, guys, this is something that I've been contemplating on buying, and I'm happy I did. This is a moisturizing cream. It's called Superfood Ear Whip. Yeah. So this is a face moisturizer. This is a new one that I'll be trying. I'll let you guys know. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this one, guys, so let me see. I'm gonna try it and let you all know. But I wanted a really good moisturizer, so let me see if I will stick to this one. The other one I was using was good, guys, but I wanted more from my moisturizer, so let's see if this one will do it. So guys, this is another duo, a 2-for-1 lip gloss set. So this is the Anastasia lip gloss. I got 2 for the price of 1. Yeah. Let me see. So I think one is clear. Oh, sparkles. Guys, if I didn't appear sparkle, I'm not really a sparkle fan, you know. See? Let me see. So yep, I got the 2. It was a 2-for-1. I guess it can be like an everyday lip gloss, because I'm not really a sparkle girl. So this is my niacinamide. I just re-up on these, restock. This is a part of my daily face regimen. Yes, guys, so I just restocked this. This is the ordinary niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. And I use this every day, guys. Yeah, I use this every day. Mine is just about finished. And I have it from maybe February. Yeah, this one too. This is the ordinary hyaluronic acid. Yeah. So that's, oh guys, I have one more. So this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Yeah, Fenty Gloss Bomb. This one is one that I use, like I think this lip gloss I use the most, Gloss Bomb. It's like a everyday, and I do wear it when I'm going out too. Yeah. And that's that for my Sephora haul. So who's ready to get in the Zara haul? Who's ready? Who wanna guess what, you girl? It's just one. I got one little item, guys, that I really, really need. I hope it fits. I really do. Because Zara sizes can be off. Some of their boots, 10, because I wear size 10, guys, but Zara size is a bit smaller in some of their boots. So sometimes I have to go up to an 11 in their boots to get comfort and a little space, right? Yeah, but I wear size 10. Let's see, guys. Ooh. Guys, it's a over the knee boots. I really do hope it fits. Let me put the camera out so I can show you guys while I'm trying on. Guys, I hope it fits. Because I waited too long. And by the time I went to purchase it, the 11 was gone. Let's see. Whew. Guys, I have a hard time finding over the knee boots because I have such thick thighs. So guys, look. I don't even know because it's not really giving. Let me see. What do you guys think? It fits, guys. It's not tight. But I'm wondering, is it giving over the knee? Or it's giving on the knee? Let me put it out somewhere. What you think, guys? Is it giving over the knee or on the knee? It look like I'm gonna lose some weight. So it go over the knee. What you guys think? Is it giving over the knee? Or on? It's so comfy though. Really comfy. Guys, even if I lose weight, I don't lose my thighs. Even if I lose weight, I don't lose my thighs. I really like it, guys. But I don't know what it's giving. If it's giving over the knees or on the knees. Don't let me know what I give. Well, you guys let me know what it's giving. Should I try on the other one? Should I try on both? Let me try on both and see. The 11 would have been too big, guys. Because this is just a perfect size. But I just wish I had more room there. Oh. Uh-oh. What a something. Guys, what if I return the shoes and the something break? Eh? What if I'm returning the shoes and the something break? You tell me no. No problem that. What do you guys think? Over the knee or on the knee? I like it. It's really comfy. I just wish it came up, some more. Anyways, guys, that's it. So, guys, this is it, guys. So anyways, guys, I will be closing off this vlog right here. And I think this is the only thing that I will be putting on this vlog, the Sephora haul and the Zara haul. So guys, let me know if you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you would like to see more vlogs like these, let me know. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for your continued support. Remember, guys, share the video with a friend. Share the video. Comment, interact with me in the comment section. And I appreciate every single one.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say